then we have to do some unboxing. This is my explosive science kit. Educational science kit by Genius Box. Now let me start with a new experiment called the elephant toothpaste. We will need magic liquid, yeast powder, test tubes. So let us begin. First, take a beaker and add 2 spoons of yeast powder. And a little bit more. Now add some water to make it a thin paste. Then we have to add a few drops of food color to make a colored sample. Take a test tube and keep it on a stand. Fill 1/4 test tube by magic liquid provided in an activity and keep it on the stand. Now take a color sample of yeast powder which we made earlier and pour it slowly in the test tube. Make sure that you are keeping all your body parts away from the test tube while pouring. Can you all see the magic? This is the magic of science. The elephant